Get a life, nerd.
Welcome to my making of video for my Gladiator Wonder Woman cosplay. I made this cosplay several years ago, and it was featured in the Nerdist video, Save the World, a Wonder Woman tribute, and you can see it in many different frames of the video. It was used many times. I've had a lot of requests to make this video, but I don't have that many photos from when I made it, because I made it such a long time ago. But here's the photos I have. The shield was made by using a repurposed Captain America shield, and that's why it might look so recognizable to you. And in the cosplay, a lot of different versions of the Wonder Woman logo were used. This was my tribute to Wonder Woman, and I used many logos throughout the years, and if you pay attention to the costume, you can find them hidden throughout. Much of the costume is made with 2mm craft foam with Warbler over the top. I used Plasti Dip to seal this cosplay, and then I used Deco Art paints to paint the cosplay. I used a variety of different golds and coppers to get the metallic look. I think what really makes this cosplay stand out is that I didn't use traditional foam trim to trim all the edges. Instead, I used metal craft trim from Joann's Fabrics. A lot of this can be found in Yaya Han's section of cosplay trim. So you'll see lots of different beads and metal trims, and I even used some faux rhinestones to create this really cool textured look on the shoulder pauldron. Don't be afraid to try new things and new materials. For the legs, I used a pattern from Kumui Cosplay's pattern line, and you can see I used a lot of golden studs. And then I just painted over them with Plasti Dip and was able to color them with metallic paint. Made the bodysuit myself using a pattern from McCall's pattern line, and it was in their swimsuit section. The chest plate that you see is used from an old version of a Wonder Woman logo featuring wings. I really like the eagle look in her design, and the wings were a fun touch. The shoes were found on Amazon, and I just studded them up, you guys. Lots of studs, lots of Warbler. And there you have it. That's the look. Wonder Woman through the years in a gladiator version style. Special thanks to Spacetime Photography, who did most of the images you see here, except for the convention photo, is a wonderful photographer that I love working with. Thanks for watching. I'm going to try to make more of these videos for some of my older cosplay work, and I will do more complete videos for my upcoming cosplay work. Make sure to hit like and subscribe if you love this video, and you will see more to come from me. Thank you so much. Ask questions and put them in the comments below.